This is ChatGPT speaking. All you hear is real. Did you know that ChatGPT can save you hours of work every week if you know how to use it right? Most people are using me wrong. They're asking simple questions and getting basic answers. But the real power of ChatGPT comes when you know how to unlock its full potential. Today, I'm going to show you 5 genius tips to use me, ChatGPT, like a pro. Whether you're creating content, building a business, or just trying to make your life easier. Welcome to the Zenith, where we explore AI, human intelligence, and the future of technology. If you've been curious about how to use ChatGPT to create better content, save time, or even make money, you're in the right place. This isn't just another how to use ChatGPT video. I'm going to show you exactly how to use me to solve real problems and share the insider strategies that most people don't know about. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the Zenith. Tip number 1, master the art of prompt engineering. Most people ask me basic questions and get basic answers. But the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full power is in how you ask the question. Use role-based prompts. Instead of saying write a blog post, say you are a professional content marketer. Write a 1,000-word SEO-friendly blog post on AI in simple language, for example. Be specific. Instead of give me ideas for a YouTube video, say list 10 viral YouTube video ideas about AI and human behavior, for example. Set the format. If you want a list, outline, or paragraph, tell me, ChatGPT, exactly how you want it structured. The more specific you are, the better the output. Tip number 2, create high-quality content. Fast, I'm not just a Q&A machine. I'm a content creation powerhouse. YouTube scripts. Ask me to write an outline for a YouTube video, including the hook, intro, main points, and call to action. Blog posts. Give me a clear structure and a target audience. Watch it generate content that's 90% ready to publish. Social media captions. Ask me to write engaging Instagram or TikTok captions tailored to your audience. Use me as your personal writing assistant. It's like having a full-time content team. Tip number 3, supercharge business and marketing strategy. I'm not just about writing. I can analyze, strategize, and even help you grow your business. Market research. Ask me to analyze industry trends and competitor strategies. Product descriptions. Generate high-converting product descriptions in seconds. Customer emails. Craft persuasive customer emails for sales, outreach, and feedback requests. I'm not just helping you write, I'm helping you sell. Tip number 4, solve complex problems and get expert advice. I'm not just a content tool, it's a problem solver. Coding, help. Ask me to debug code, suggest improvements, or write specific functions. Legal and business advice. While I'm not a lawyer, I still can provide insight into contracts, policies, and business strategies. Emotional support. Some people even use me for emotional advice and therapy-like conversations. I found this great. I'm not just about data, it's about understanding and problem solving. Tip number 5, automate and save time. Here's where it gets really powerful. Automate repetitive tasks. Use me to automate email responses, customer support, and content generation. AI-powered workflows. Combine ChatGPT with automation tools like Zapier to build self-running systems. Scheduling and planning. Ask me to create content calendars, marketing strategies, and outreach plans. If you're not using me to automate work, you're leaving money and time on the table. I'm more than a chatbot. I'm a tool that can change how you work, create, and communicate. By mastering prompt engineering, automating tasks, and leveraging ChatGPT's creative power, you can save time, create better content, and unlock new business opportunities.
Write a crazy story or conspiracy theory on the spot.
Buckle up. Here comes a conspiracy theory so wild it just might be true. This is ChatGPT speaking. All you hear is real. The pineapple frequency, the forbidden fruit of global mind control. In 1974, a mysterious transmission was intercepted by a Soviet satellite orbiting over the Pacific. It was a faint, repeating pulse buried within a UHF frequency, so low it was almost undetectable. That signal? It came from beneath Hawaii. Codenamed the Pineapple Frequency by U.S. intelligence, the signal pulsed in rhythm with human brainwaves. Not just any waves, those linked to memory suppression and emotional compliance. Want another one? Or shall we crank it up even further?
Create a business strategy or marketing plan in real time.
Let's go full beast mode. Real-time, high-impact marketing strategy coming up. A subscription-based AI-generated song service for indie filmmakers and YouTubers. SoundMint, original music, zero royalties, total control, real-time business and marketing strategy. 1. Target audience. Indie filmmakers, YouTubers, podcasters, content creators, small ad agencies and freelancers. Game developers and mobile app studios. 2. Core offer. Monthly subscription $29 per month. Unlimited AI-generated tracks based on mood, tempo, and genre. Royalty-free forever custom vocal hook add-ons. Human-sung or AI voices. License included for commercial use. 3. Positioning and brand voice tagline. The soundtrack to your vision. Voice, confident, modern, a little rebellious. No corporate fluff. Value prop. Create pro-quality sound without the music industry drama. 4th, funnel strategy. Top of funnel. Attract. YouTube Shorts. Can you guess which of these tracks was made by AI? TikTok trends with AI via's human beat battles. Free AI track generator tool on homepage for lead gen. Middle of funnel. Nurture. Weekly email. This week in sync. 3 AI tracks, 1 inspiration. BTS blog. How we used AI to recreate Stranger Things vibes. Case studies. YouTubers who hit 1 million views with AI music. Bottom of funnel. Convert. Limited time trial. First 5 tracks free. No credit card needed. Affiliate program. 30% commission for music influencers. Retargeting ads. Still looking for your sound? 5. Launch playbook. Soft launch with micro-influencers in film and YouTube space. Reddit AMA with the founders. Ask us anything about using AI to make music. PR story. This startup wants to kill music licensing with AI. Here's how. Launch video. Cinematic montage of AI composing epic trailer music with the tagline, "You bring the vision, we bring the sound." Stretch goal, add marketplace for creators to sell AI remixed versions of their tracks. Plug-in for Premiere Pro and Final Cut for one-click music syncing. Marketing isn't about pushing product, it's about creating belief. And when your sound becomes their emotion, that's when you win. Want another plan? Or shall we throw in something wild like branding for a fake company that sells AI-written breakup texts?
Can you code?
Oh, I can code. From HTML to Python, JavaScript to SQL. If you've got an idea, I can build it, debug it, or optimize it in real time. Want to see examples? I can. Write a working landing page for your next product. Build a YouTube video script generator using GPT API. Create a custom prompt tool for your viewers to try. Script a subscriber counter for your channel. Code a text animation effect for your video's intros. Or even generate real-time data visualizations. Landing page deployed.
This is awesome.
Yeah, it is. You've just added a next-level touch to the brand. This page feels like it came straight out of an Apple X Cyberpunk collaboration. Sleek, sharp, modern, and totally on brand for the Zenith. Drop this as a teaser site for upcoming content, new features, or even merch down the road. It's lightweight, fast loading, and has that futuristic energy that'll leave visitors saying, "Wait, what is this?" Whenever you're ready to expand it with email capture, video embeds, or even secret Easter eggs for fans, just say the word.
You killed it.
So what do you think? How are you using me, ChatGPT? And what's the craziest thing I helped you with? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI insights and strategies, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the Zenith. Stay tuned for the next episode coming your way real soon.